Ko lang sa sarili ko, when I step into Mexico, ako nang bahala, ha? Basta nandyan lang kayo. Supporta lang. We will make it. We'll make it, guys. Kaya kung saan man po kayo ngayon nanonood, Filipino man kayo or what, maraming salamat sa support din ninyo. Nakataba ng puso kasi I came in here, syempre meron kang question sa sarili mo and meron kang konting kaba kasi officially you're alone. You will feel na parang, oh, nandito ka na talaga. Parang it's all on you now. May ganun kang mararamdaman. And I've been prepared kasi nasabi naman na sa akin to. Pero it's a different feeling. Pero knowing the fact that I have so much support from the Filipinos and different countries around the world, nakakataba ng puso and hindi ka natatakot. Mas lalo ka pang nagiging confident to fight for it, to pursue your dream. Kasi hindi ko naman to pangarap lang. It's everybody's dream. Parang hindi ako magiging selfish on that part. So, magtulungan tayo hanggang dulo para lahat tayo mararanasan din natin to, yung achievement din, yung tagumpay ulit. And no matter what naman happens, I think we'll still celebrate anyways. That's how we are as Filipinos. We are very happy. We love to celebrate everything that happens in our life, good or bad. We're very strong. We have a heart na more of than being just powerful. We have a heart of very happy people. That's who we are, Filipinos. Kaya salamat kasi you guys are doing your best. Pero it's a lot that hindi ko in-expect coming in here. Sabi ko, medyo, alam niyo yun, hindi naman ako parang bago sa idea na I'm coming into this country and then I'm wearing that sash. Pero